my assumption then, and it remains now even more firmly than ever before, was that it is not just a whim of the United States to wake up one morning and go and bomb Belgrade. It was a preconceived plan which has a certain base, although that base was faulty. It had no foundation to stand on. And I think now the Americans realize that it was faulty. They are trying to repair it, but it's a little bit too late. Or if they repair it, it will take a long time, and that will cost a lot, especially to the Serbs who have been paying the price ever since. And the problem was this. Turkey, before Erdogan made the situation worse. But before Erdogan, there were civil governments in Turkey of Ecevit, Çiller, and the other Prime Minister, Özal, Turgut Özal, prime ministers who were, even though they were pious, religious, Muslim religious personally, they were very moderate politically. And exactly at that time, 1990, when the Soviet Union fell, the republics of the Soviet Union started to get independent. And mainly the 6 Muslim republics of the former Soviet Union. All those stands, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan. So all those, plus Azerbaijan, who is also Muslim, but it's another kind. They were from another stock, but it doesn't matter. The Americans thought that that is a great occasion to link all those Soviet, formerly Soviet republics to moderate Turkey, because Turkey used to be a civil government, very, very moderate, very, very pro-American. And they thought to create a continuity between Turkey, the moderate, which is member of NATO, which is connected to America, and to create a continuity between it and Central Asia, to include all those republics, so as to make sure that the former Muslim Republic of the Soviet Union would become also moderate, pro-American, allied with Turkey, with modern Turkey. That's a very, very good plan, a very healthy one. But the problem is that it didn't work exactly the way they wanted.